Kate here with WTI, and if there's one thing about me, it's I always have a project on the go. So I love having paintbrushes on hand. These ones come in a set of 5. It's from Genixart. I love that I can always be ready to throw some paint on the wall no matter what, because I have so many extras hanging around. Now this set comes in all different sizes. There are a few angled brushes. The others have a straight edge. They're nicely labeled so you know exactly what size you're grabbing if that matters to you. I really like that they don't shed. So every project I've used, I haven't lost a bristle, which is awesome. There's nothing worse than bristles in your paint. They also wash up really easily. Because they're such great value, I don't even feel bad if I only get one project out of them, but they are washable. You can use them over and over again. The handles are nice and thin, easy to use, they're not heavy, and they also have a great grip to them. They do what they're supposed to do. They apply paint to the wall. I'm happy with them. I'm glad to have all these different sizes on hand for my projects, and that's my point of view.